Hey everybody, Russell Smith here with Alcova Mortgage, and I'm going to tell you more about buying a beach vacation property using DSCR. We're going to talk about the advantages and the numbers on a specific property. This property is at 5205 East Pelican Drive, Oak Island, North Carolina, and it is listed for sale. So let's talk about the numbers. So first of all, this has a list price of $1,199,000, and for this example, and we're going to assume that this person has some investment experience, I'm going to put down 25%. The loan amount will be $899,250, cash to close with down payment and approximate closing costs. First year of insurance and setting up escrow is about $332,924. We're going to move over here and we're going to talk about, rates can fluctuate, but right now, a good example will be 7 1/8 on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, APR 7.249%. Principal and interest on this scenario is $6,058. Hazard or homeowners insurance is $589. Flood insurance, of course, it's at the beach, $242. That's a good premium for a beach house. Property taxes $496.67. So you got a total payment of $7,387. Projected rent on this is right at $100,000 per year, so we're at $83.33. So you see the cash flow here, and I'm going to come back to this. DSCR. A big thing about DSCR, my investors love it. There is no income verification. The only thing that matters is what's the market rent versus the mortgage payment. We're good here, okay? It allows for short-term rent. That means we're going to ask the appraiser to get short-term rent comparables, and then we're going to use that to determine this right here. Tax strategies, depreciation, possibly bonus depreciation. These are things you can talk to your CPA about, but these are things that especially with the new tax laws taking effect this year for the short-term rental tax loophole, big advantage on doing this. And then you can deed it in an LLC or your personal name. Most investors do like to have it deeded in an LLC, especially going to have renters going in and out. Fixed rate and a great way to grow your wealth. So this property here, amazing looking property. Check out the details below. Besides DSCR, we have the traditional full documentation jumbo products with excellent interest rates on a 30-year fixed product. We've got, let's say that you're not going to go this route, but maybe a little short on income, but heavy in assets, or maybe that's all you have are assets. We can actually do calculations to help you qualify and not even potentially need a traditional job. So keep these things in mind. Ask me questions on how you can have the right strategy to buy your beach vacation home.